always pussy when it comes to mom-daughter. Moms hate me. Hey, what's up? Excuse me, ma'am. I'm wondering where the hell is everyone today, you know? It seems like empty out. Like, damn, you're ignoring me like I did something bad to you or something. What's up? You don't even know me, shit. I'm just trying to say, hey, maybe hand you a little cash, see what you... No, you don't think so? Oh shit, look at that face. You see me, I'm not that bad looking, come on. Come on, you know I'm not that bad looking. Am I? Better looking than that guy. Shit, you looked right at him. God dang. Damn. This is the problem. Oh, excuse me, ma'am, with the leg. The courthouse is closed today. Yeah, I know, it sucks. It's Christopher Columbus Day. It happens. Good luck, though, okay? Alright. Damn, dude, there's like one business lady all day here today. Is that what it is? It's Christopher Columbus Day, so no one wants to fucking... Look at this. This is this. Look at this. This is the middle of downtown. West Flagler and First Avenue. Look how dead it is. Fuck this. Let's go to the beach.
Alright, beach it is.
I bet you there's people there now. I forgot it was Christopher Columbus Day. You told me it was Labor Day. It's not Labor Day.
I don't know. That's what somebody told me yesterday. One of my roommates had today off. That's why it was. And I'm like, tomorrow's a holiday. You're like, but I'm gonna pick you up. I was like, alright.
No, it's definitely not Labor Day. But god damn, I've never seen it so empty in my life. Looks like Christmas. Alright, finally to the beach. Let's hope this is better. Girls don't want to be seen anymore. What's the problem? Oh, I know what it I know what it is, man.
What?
You know what it is? It's since it was Christopher Columbus weekend or whatever.
Yeah.
You know, where everybody comes down here. Those girls have been hollered at all fucking weekend. And now that it's Monday, they're just tired of it. That's what it is, I swear to you.
But mostly all these girls get hollered at 24/7 walking
No,
around, so.
yeah, but you know, they're excited when they come down here. But Mondays,
yeah,
Monday mornings especially,
they had that whole weekend to get partied out.
You know, they don't even want to look at a guy, bro.
Guys trying to go home with them to the
Don't you think that's what it is? I mean, besides me not having any game right now.
True.
That's the fucking truth. But that's what it is, I'm telling you.
So you ready to hit ocean? Or you want me to go down a little bit more? Oh.
Yeah, go down a little bit more, see what happens. Dude, guys have been hollering at these girls all day, I'm telling you. So I never heard of this carnival.
Napoleon Dynamite.
Yeah? I never heard of this carnival, I guess, because I'm always out there on the regatta.
Yeah.
I gotta go one year, huh?
Carnival's off the chain, especially if you go to an island in the Carnival. Every 2 steps there's somebody selling beer. They want you to get fucked up. You're guaranteed to get drunk.
You've been to it?
Yeah, no, not the one.
Oh, you've been to the one in Atlanta.
I wasn't at the one in Atlanta and the one in, I went to the one in St. Lucia, to the one in St. Croix. They're on all the islands.
Where's it at here, I wonder? Like, do they go down A1A or do they go down Ocean? What?
We gotta look that up so we know for next year.
But we missed it. We missed it like bad.
No, but it's a...
If I would have known that shit, I would have brought the camera out here. We would have got a lot of ass the last couple days,
Yeah,
you know?
we would've.
But now it's like the end of it. Look at these girls. My God.
Oh shit, you guys were,
What's-
what the fuck? You guys were bang bus.
What's up, man?
Oh shit.
Hey, what's going on?
What's up, bro?
Hey, do you know those girls? Hi.
No.
How's it going?
Shit.
I'm not taping, I'm filming.
Oh shit. I see you guys
Can you,
all the fucking
hey,
people around here.
can you tell her we're safe?
It's safe.
Yeah, yeah.
This is awesome here. Oh shit.
Yo, man, she's not taking any lip. Guys have probably been hollering at her all weekend. What's up, man? A bang bus.
Bang bus.
What's going on, man?
What's bang bus, man?
What?
Bang bus, you heard of us?
No. What is it?
Bang bus.
Bank bus?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Where y'all from? New York?
Yeah, fucking, it's kind of like cash cab, right?
I don't know what cash cab is, but it's kind of like that.
It's like it, yeah. You can say that.
What's your name, man?
Shit. I'm Ruben.
Nice to meet you. What's your names?
I'm Billy, bro.
Nice to meet you.
And filming people, that's why I wanted to know.
Oh, hell yeah, man.
We out here doing what's the shit about?
Okay. It's about picking up girls on the street, you know,
You got any
giving them a little
here?
money and seeing if they'll do stuff.
Yeah.
You know? What's
You
that?
got any bitches in here yet?
No, not yet.
If that's the case, then I got a whole bunch of them, dog.
Oh, do you?
I got a load of them that was at the video shoot yesterday and today, so.
Okay.
You know, they out here extras and shit, dog.
Oh, okay.
So, I keep in touch with a whole bunch of them.
All right.
So if you want to do something, you can follow me around.
Are you from New York too, kid? Hey, what's his name? Ruben? Ruben, where are you from?
I'm from around here. I always see you guys around here. Just never had time to stop you guys, man.
All right.
Shit.
All right. Did you go to the carnival?
What's up?
Did you go to the carnival?
Yeah, everybody just came down. There's been talking to a lot of people from New York. They came down to the carnival.
Yeah.
It's been crazy, man.
Cool.
Beaches,
Well,
you
we
know,
need a
Columbus
driver.
Day weekend, so it's crazy out here.
You want to drive, bro?
Drive the bus?
Yeah.
I love to drive the bus.
Hey, are you down, bro? Yeah. You got a license and shit?
Yeah, I got a license. Want to see my ID?
Yeah.
All right, hold on. Actually, I don't have it on me, but I have a license. It's legit.
This guy. Are you sure about that?
I'm sure, man.
How old are you?
I'm legit. I'm 22.
All right. He's 22. Let's go, man.
We can let you drive.
Let's see what.
So I seen you on the bus before. You're not a driver.
Yeah, he's a fucking
I finally got my license,
crazy
so they
guy.
let me drive today.
Oh, you got yours too?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Finally.
So your name's
So,
Ruben?
I'm Ruben, man. So what's up? So
Not shit. Let's just go, but
Just
drive
drive?
safe. Yeah.
nice.
You gotta drive safe.
I'm driving the fucking
Man,
bang
it's
bus.
been a weird day, man. A lot of weird people out today.
Yeah, it's no one's from Miami though. It's a bunch of tourists out here this weekend.
Everyone's from New York.
Yep.
A lot of crazies though, man.
Shit.
A lot of crazy people. They don't want shit.
driving the fucking
That's what
bus.
it is. It's the fucking New Yorkers, man.
Yep.
It's the New
A
Yorkers.
lot of them are from Queens. Got some decent chicks though, man.
I've seen some
Let's see
hotties,
the
but they
carnival.
don't want anything to do with this camera.
Yeah.
I haven't even started pulling money out though. I got a fucking wad of money here. I gotta see if it'll work out.
So I saw you guys on time. It's time to pick up the chicks now, I guess, huh?
This guy.
Nice. I like this.
This guy's like a little
Look at
too
this guy's
excited.
fake gold chain.
Yeah.
You think that's fake? Yeah, that's fake. His neck is green.
That's the gold coming off.
Oh. No. Good job, man. You see, you stopped right away.
Yeah.
You know how to do that.
Yeah, I drive around in a moving truck all day. That's what I do. So
Moving truck. What do you mean?
yeah, I'm a mover. Just
You're a
move
mover.
people. Yeah, man.
You move their shit around?
Yeah, basically
Do you break their shit?
all the fucking time. It ain't mine, so I don't give a fuck.
That's what I thought. That's why I never hire you fools. Because you don't give a fuck. How much do you make an hour?
It's fucking garbage. $9 an hour.
See, that's what it is.
That's
Yeah.
why we
They
don't
make-
give a fuck and we break whatever the fuck is in the way.
Yeah, man, I could see that. I could see a red light too, but that's cool. I'm sure you're used to that. So when you move shit from one house to another, like, aren't they around you all the time telling you, hey, be careful?
Yeah, but we can care less. We're just trying to get the shit done. Just go. So yeah, a lot of shit gets broken.
I
and
can
then
see
people
that.
bitch. Oh, you broke my shit. All you gotta do is say sorry.
But isn't it under, like, warranty and shit through your
No.
company?
Nah, company
You
doesn't want
you
shit.
pay it, you
No.
buy it.
No, because it's just me and a couple friends. That's all we do. No company. So
Right there, right there.
Goddamn. Hi, how's it going? Happy vacation today. You look very nice and white. Very nice. Oh my God. Why are you leaving? She was hot. What'd you think of that girl, man?
what?
She was fly, right? Oh my God. That girl was hot. Hey, make a left here. What's your name again?
Ruben.
Ruben.
Like the sandwich.
Exactly what it is.
Your parents were hungry when they named you. Now, what is it? Why'd they name you Ruben? For real?
I guess they like Reuben sandwiches. I don't know. Never
that's what
seem
I'm
to ask.
thinking. Ruben what? What's your last name?
Jones.
That's not bad. Ruben Jones.
That's not too bad. Somewhat catchy. It's not the best name, but hey.
You're just excited to be on camera, dude.
I'm on the fucking bang
I gotta
bus.
tell you right now,
I'm on
I've
the
had a
fucking
rough.
bang bus.
Yeah, you're on the bang bus, but I've had a rough day, bro. I haven't had any luck. We haven't had any luck.
No.
So for your game, man, you're usually on point.
Yeah, not today.
Today's bad.
Very bad.
We tried downtown first.
Let's try Washington
Oh,
and
no
see
one's
what
on
happens.
downtown. Everybody's over here.
It's crazy because a lot of people believe that, you know, finding this country is a big deal.
It actually was.
That's what I'm saying. People should not have to work on Columbus
No.
Day.
Oh.
I don't think people should ever work, especially not on Columbus Day.
Well, what I mean is just like us. Just kidding. No, I'm always out here.
You guys are always driving around. Your job isn't really a job.
It's not a
Yeah,
job,
this
but
is fucking.
it's a fun time. No. Trust me, I love this shit. This is awesome.
See, a lot of motherfuckers would like to do what I'm doing right now. So this is rather do this than moving shit.
That's bullshit. I don't think I could do that.
And,
You gotta
It's a
put up
real
with a lot of
job.
people's shit.
look at this one. Right
Nice
here on the
little
corner.
hot chick right here.
There's no fuck. Oh, that's
Stuck at a red light.
the one in the sweater.
Yes.
Even that guy.
Yeah, she's hot. What's she doing in a sweater though?
You know she's not from Miami. She's wearing that sweater.
No way. Excuse me, ma'am. Oh, this is for you.
You're gonna give me money?
Yeah,
You're giving me money right now.
it's yours.
For what?
Just for you. I just want to see you walk. That's all.
Oh, you want to see me
Yeah.
walk?
If you walk for a second, yeah.
Alright, I'll walk for a little bit, baby.
He's like, I'll take that money.
What are you guys taping?
Oh, it doesn't matter. I just want to see you walk.
You just want to see me
Yeah.
walk? Want to see you shake my ass?
Yeah. Oh my god. Okay, you can stop. You can stop. I just want to shake your hand. What's up?
Hi.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. You're pretty fucking excited, man.
I am.
Most
For freaking
people-
Money, I'm like
Oh, that's what it is. It's the money. But most
Yeah.
people today have been mean as fuck.
Really?
It's this camera. It's crazy. Yeah, she does.
So what is this camera thing about, okay?
It's just our own little video we're trying to put together. Trying to
Yeah.
start a new company. But we talk to people on the street and shit, you know? You're hot. What are you
Whatever,
doing
can
wearing a
give me money,
sweater?
That's fine.
That money's yours.
It's cool.
Do with it
Thanks.
whatever you want.
I know. I'm like completely broke. I had to like, I'm gonna come here and like get money from my sister. I'm like, she owes me money. I'm like broke. I haven't worked in like a year.
She lives on the beach?
No. She works at a clothing store.
Oh, here on Lincoln Road?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Where
cool.
this came from.
That's
So,
cool.
Yeah.
You're very pretty.
Thank you.
You're welcome. How old are you?
24.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
Nice. Well, here's some more money for you. We're able to give every girl 60 bucks to talk to
that's
us.
Sweet.
Yeah.
I'm like broke. I
There's-
guess I'm not that broke anymore, right?
There's a catch, though. There's a catch.
What's the catch?
You have to come with me.
I'm not gonna go with you.
No, I mean, like, not come with us, but just, like, go around the beach with us so we can ask you some questions.
Maybe.
You'll do
I
that?
don't know. I don't know about this whole video thing.
Okay, well, the video thing's not a big deal because it's just, we're just trying a new, we're trying a new show. We're trying a new show and we have to get enough girls and stuff.
So you're just gonna go walk around picking up girls?
Girls are a lot more interesting than guys. You know what I mean? Like, how exciting would it be to pick up guys? That sucks.
I would pick up a guy.
Well, you would. So you said you visited your sister?
Yeah, and you could pick up some money. I'm like broke. I'm like,
So you take money from your sister.
no, she borrowed money from me, you know. So, but I needed money that bad. Where I'm like, all right, I'm coming to your freaking store to get my money now. I'm broke. I need to pay rent. I'm like shit.
By the way, this is my friend Ruben, and this is
Ruben?
Shaggy.
Hi.
Nice meeting you guys.
Nice meeting you too.
Yeah, we're the only ones in the van. We're just
Cruising around looking
yeah.
for some hot bitches to give me money.
Hell yeah.
Sounds good.
You are a hot bitch, I gotta admit. Well, I'll tell you what, we have up to $100 total, and you already have 60. You could walk now, or if you don't mind hanging out with us for like, what, 10 minutes?
10, 15 minutes.
15 minutes? You want to come with us? It's 40 more bucks. You get to know, we're nice people. It's
Fuck it, right?
yeah, let's
40
go.
bucks, alright. Alright, cool.